under there.
Look,
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's not looking good.
Hold on, real quick before you take it off. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, right now, boys and girls, y'all got to witness Wavy Mach. Wavy Mach, he's in the building. Get your do-rag at what is it?
WavyMachNaturals.com.
WavyMachNaturals.com.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
link will be right here somewhere on the screen. All right, let's do the unrag. You said it's bad?
Oh yeah, it's good. It's gonna be. You gotta see it.
I'll tell you guys a little bit about what happened. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. All right, let's see what's up under here. Let's see the damage first of all. Okay, we don't see no damage. Okay, it ain't that bad as I thought. But the damage is, I mean, the waves is there. Let's just first and foremost, the waves is there. But we gotta talk about it. We gotta talk about what happened right here in this area right here. All right.
Look at those waves. Where you get your beats?
All right, so let's pause right here. All right, I need to give you guys a backstory before we go any further. Let me tell you something. All right, my man Wavy Mach, basically, he's in a wave game, in a wave community. He was coming out to get his haircut by me, but first, let me tell you, what you're about to hear is what happened before he came on the trip to come and get his haircut. So we're gonna dive right back on in to this cut. Let me tell you guys, interesting story. Let's go. When did this happen?
Yo, this shit happened. Literally, right before vacation.
All right, you see what's there. All right, you see what's there. There's two staples in my man's head, okay? Let's jump back into the story, okay? Let's go. You said right before what?
Right before my vacation.
Oh, yeah?
The day before. So I was playing ball, man, and pretty much, like, I had like 6-7 points. After I made, like, you know, my 6th point, this guy was like, what the you looking at? Like, excuse my language, but...
What, hold on. Was he playing with you?
Yeah, he was on the other team.
Listen, Wavy Mach ain't gonna tell it like this. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna tell it like this. But basically what my man said was, he was balling on these cats, playing basketball. Boom, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4.5 point, 6 points on them. You know what I'm saying? Hitting the J, shoot the J. He was hitting them, man. They was getting mad. Jealous much? You know what I'm saying? So they was like, hey, what's up? What you looking at? I'm looking at you.
And he was like, what the f you looking at? I'm like, I'm looking at you.
Right.
Like, what you mean? And then that's when I walked up to him and I was like, you know, I was talking to him. And then he cocked back and swung, right? I did that shit. I said, yo, I pieced him because obviously I did boxing for 2 years.
What you mean? I'm scoring buckets on you, bro. What you mean? I'm looking at you. That's what my man Wavy Mach said. Then dude want to come up? You know what I'm saying? Dude want to square up? You want to do something? So you know what I'm saying? My man Wavy Mach, he a boxer. You know what I'm saying? This man been in the gym. He boxes for a living. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I wasn't boxing for a living, but... Wait, Wavy Mach, let me tell a story. He been boxing for a living, bro. So when dude came up and tried to, you know what I'm saying? Tried to do that first swing, Wavy Mach did one of these on him. Pulled up his pants. He pulled up his pants on him, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how he had enough time to pull up his pants like that when dude was approaching him, but did one of these, ducked him, bow. You know what I'm saying? Right.
I already knew how to do it in that reaction, so I popped him. Then his big man, like the center, grabbed me, like it was holding me. And
you said his center?
Yeah, his center, and then my center too. I didn't know that they were all part of like the same squad or whatever.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so even the people that were on my team, people that were on their team, they were all jumping. Like, that's crazy, and we're playing 4-on-4.
Then his boys got mad. You want to get mad at me because he decided to run up. up. So he wanna get mad at me. Okay. So the next thing y'all know, that I ain't know the boy on my team. The people that was on my team was with him. You know what I'm saying? I ain't know that. See, I'm out here just trying to defend myself when dude trying to run up and the center that was on his squad and the center that was on my squad. As a matter of fact, all the people that was on my team was with bruh. I didn't know. Now, see, you got to understand, I didn't know that. I'm trying to defend myself. So now all of a sudden I'm on the ground. Oh my God, I'm getting kicked left and right. Things is happening to me I didn't expect. I didn't expect them to leave me on my back. Come on now. I didn't expect dude to come out with a chair and crack me over the head. Where that chair go, bro? We out here playing basketball. Where the chair at? Come on now. The police then came. They ran away. I'm outside though. You know what I'm saying? Who next? Meanwhile, I'm bleeding. I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know. You know, I'm bleeding now. And next thing you know, I'm laid up at the hospital. I'm at the hospital, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still going to get the Jeezy cut. I don't know what y'all talking about. You know what I'm saying? Wait, all year. I'm gonna get my Jeezy cut. I don't care no but 2 staples in my head. I'm getting the Jeezy cut.
I was still like, nah, I gotta make this out of here.
Right.
Hit or not hit,
I appreciate you still coming. When I saw it, I was like, I don't know if you're coming after that.
Yeah, I know.
To hold my man back from getting his haircut. They didn't want him to be great. They didn't want to see him win, but God did. Alright, YouTube, this is the cut. Listen, my man Wavy Mach is in the building. Alright. Hey, where can they follow you at?
Wavy Mach on Instagram right there.
Up here, somewhere right here. Wavy Mach on Instagram and YouTube, right?
YouTube as well, Wavy Macho.
Somewhere right here. I guarantee it's right here. And I guarantee it's up here. Regardless, it's somewhere around the screen. Hit the link in the description below. Follow my man Wavy Mach. This is the cut. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's kind of pointless to do this.
But you know, we out. Peace.